Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
All right, we're taking out these pipes. It does not look pretty in there.
Artlist.io.
Beautiful look, but it's dirty, so I'm just gonna switch it out and get a new one. All right, so I got my buddy Ian here, who's helping out. My buddy Jacob is coming up. Y'all know him already. What we're gonna do next is we're gonna tape around the new shower. I don't want any damage
Music
being done to that while we're doing the rest
reimagined.
of the master bath. A lot of this video is gonna be time-lapse video. I think that's a little bit more enjoyable when it comes down to remodeling bathrooms and things like that. So I hope you guys enjoy. Comment below and tell me what you think.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
So I'm trying to do it step by step, like this right here first, and then move to this one. Take out this, because I don't want everything up here to collapse or anything, which it shouldn't, realistically.
I didn't think they could cut their nails.
Licensing reimagined.
I didn't know that.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
So what we're doing here, we're tearing this down so we can scoot this closet back just to give us a little bit extra closet space, more storage space. So next, obviously after, framing out a little bit further, then we're gonna have to drywall it.
Artlist.io.
It's pretty solid on this side.
Music licensing reimagined.
So far so good. Getting this all cleared out. I'll also show you a view of the...
Hey, get out of there!
This is the other side. It's gonna give us way more closet space. All right, so far so good. We found that it's gonna be quite easy to frame out further the wall. We basically have a little template right here. You guys can get a good view of that. I know it's kind of confusing looking, but by the end of it, it will look real well. All we have to do now is up top and then start cutting these 2x4s
Music licensing
out of the wall. Ooh, thicker than a Snicker. All right, so what I'm doing now, go ahead and look at this. So we cleared it all out. That's gonna be the attic right there. Cleared it all out. Next, we're gonna be taking these. I marked the ones that we wanna take off and the ones that we don't wanna mess with because they're flush with the wall, and that's what we're gonna use to drywall back. So I'm gonna be taking these out, and here we go.
Music licensing reimagined.
All right, so this is the next part we gotta get rid of right here. It's gonna be a doozy because all these thick nails are through it.
Show them that you want, where you want to cut off.
So basically, what we're gonna do is cut these two, because right above these two is the
Beam.
beam. Thank you, the beam, and that's gonna be what we use to nail the drywall in and make it.
Artlist.io.
Just like that.
Ah!
That Roman board.
Oh! All right. That's what the heck we're working with, brother. That's what we're doing there, brother. So, we noticed this wire up here. So we're gonna push this up out of the way because I do not want to cut that. Obviously, it goes to this light switch right behind me. Make sure it's clear, and then we should be goody. Wait, is this two different ones? Hold up.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
How's it going, guys? It's been a couple days. I was able now to come back and complete a couple more things and start prepping for a whole nother fiasco. And that's gonna be in another video. That's gonna be removing cast iron pipes. But we're here to talk about framing. So as you see, I finally completed getting the rest of the framing off. And this is gonna be the actual wall to the other guest bathroom. I think I explained it earlier, but I'm gonna say it again. I was able to cut that down with a new tool I got. And then now I'm gonna frame out this wall to go straight across. So stick around.
Music
Just cut out
licensing
one of the new boards.
reimagined.
And this will tell you right here where the new drywall will start going that way and where this drywall will extend connecting right here to make the closet bigger.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
You might notice all the flooring is off finally. That was hard to film by myself, so I wasn't able to get too much, but I was able to get it all done, which matters the most. I also was able to frame up and complete the framing of this wall. So once I start drywalling, you guys will see the finishing touch.
Artlist.io.